Hey everyone, in today's video we will show you how to use NordVPN for free, legally, by taking advantage of the official trial money-back guarantee. This is the safest way to try all NordVPN features without any risk. Let's get started. NordVPN is a popular, fast virtual private network service that keeps our online browsing safe by encrypting traffic, hiding our IP address, and letting us access content from different regions. We get access to over 8,900 servers. NordVPN has a strict no-logs policy and Threat Protection Pro for blocking malware and ads. We can use it on all major platforms, and it protects up to 10 devices. NordVPN helps us stay private, secure, and enjoy the internet without limits. It encrypts our internet traffic with AES 256 standards and hides our IP address so ISPs or others cannot track us. It also keeps public Wi-Fi connections safe and helps us get around regional content blocks. So, can we get a free VPN account? Free VPN? The answer is sort of. We will show you how to try NordVPN for free. Follow us, and we will guide you through how to experience NordVPN for free. First, we go to your browser and visit NordVPN.com. Once we are on the page, we see the option to get NordVPN in the lower left part or in the upper right corner. We can click either of these options. After clicking, we are redirected to the plan and price page. Here you can see the benefits of a premium user in NordVPN. You can only access this benefits by subscribing to their premium user. To get a free account, we need to choose the 1-month plan. After choosing the plan and price we want, we click Get Basics, or Get Plus, or the Get Complete. Once we are premium users, we can now enjoy the benefits of NordVPN. To be free in NordVPN, we go to the billing section, which is found in our account under billing. Here we can cancel our premium account before the 1-month subscription ends. And that's how we use NordVPN to stay more secure and private online. Even with the free trial or limited access, a VPN protects our data and gives us more control over our connection. Just remember to use it responsibly, know its limits, and choose the plan that fits our needs.